guys, my name is Phaye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. Oh my god, this hair. Behave, 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 behave. So this will be the look that I'll be doing for today's tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved this look, like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more looks. And just keep on watching. If you find today's video helpful, share it. I feel like this makeup look really complements my eyes. And I feel like they look a lot smaller than they usually are. Yeah. And follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. With that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm just taking my spoolie and I'm using it to brush my eyebrows and to just set them in place. And then next I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and just fill in my brows. So now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. So I'm done with my eyebrows, and I'm going to do this eye off camera, and then I'll come back and I can show you what I did on this eye. So the first thing I did was prime my eyelids, and I'm going to use a concealer, the Maybelline Fit-Me. And I'm also going to conceal underneath my eye because that's where I'm putting most of the eyeshadow, because as you can see I've done the reverse cut eye. And the first thing I'm going to take is a black eyeliner, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline and drag it below my waterline. And next I'm going to take a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out that eyeliner. And then next I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow, and I'm using the shade Bronzed, which is this one, and I'm just going to put it on my crease. I am going to take the same eyeshadow shade on a smaller brush and just blend out my black eyeshadow so that it looks nice and sort of smoky. And then next I'm going to take my black eyeliner and put it just where the lashes are. Yeah, just like that. So let me just go and put on some lashes, and then I'll come back. Oh wait, I haven't put like the shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this brown shimmery eyeshadow here, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelids. It doesn't have to be neat, like a sharp cut crease. Yeah, you just want some pop of glitter. And then for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to put like a lighter shimmery eyeshadow, this one. So then let me put on some lashes, and then we can get into doing my foundation. So I changed my lashes because I felt like the other ones were too dramatic for this look. So now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And also I'm going to conceal my forehead. And the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit-Me, which is in the shade 335. And I'm just going to use a brush to apply it just around where I've contoured. So I'm going to take some concealer and conceal underneath my eye. Okay, now I'm going to quickly set underneath my eye before things start to crease up. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And then now I'm going to set the rest of my face. I also set my brows. Now I'm going to put on some blush. I'm going to put on some highlight, and I'm putting it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. I'm going to put some on my cupid's bow. Okay, so now it's time for me to do my hair before I go ahead and finish up with my lipstick. So I'm just doing a half up, half down kind of look. I'm going to put this two out. Okay, so let me put this two out of the way first while I do my lips. So I'm going to take a maroon lip liner, and that is what I'm going to use to outline my lips. And for today I'm going to do something different. I'm using red lipstick. Let's see how that looks. Oh my god, is it just me? Like outlining my lips just like tied it all together. Ooh, wish I had somewhere I was going, because yeah, we nailed this look, honestly. Anyway, I feel like my lips are so dry, so I'm just putting some gloss. Like very little gloss. You know how you put on foundation on your lips and it's like it gets so dry. I don't want to put a lot of gloss because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it matte or if I want it to have a glossy finish. Like I'm just doing it honestly, and we're going to see how either of those things look together. I hope this one is a bright red, because if it's a maroon I'm going to be so mad. I bought it yesterday. It's Huda Beauty. Ooh. It's exactly what I was going for. I feel like it's so dry on my lips, so I'm going to make it glossy. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. I really enjoyed doing this makeup look. I've been seeing it trending on Instagram, and yeah, I decided to give it a try, and I'm impressed. Honestly, I didn't think I could do it. I tried it once and it backfired so badly, so I decided to give it another shot, and oof, it looks good. And I'm happy I decided to make the lipstick glossy because it looks nice, and at least I don't feel like my lips are so dry. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, share it. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. That's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye.